What's up? In this video we will show you how to make a DIY thermocol cutter. For this you will need the following materials. This is a plug. I actually don't know what you call it, but it looks like a plug type thing. And here is its socket. It actually fits in here like this, you see, and when you pass a current through it and you then get it over here, as you can see there are 2 points right here. Yeah, maximum thing, yeah, like this. Here are the 2 points from which I have connected 2 wires here, and then don't know what you call it, but you need it. A matchbox, two ice cream sticks, yeah, okay, and the main thing is a very thin wire. Can you see this wire here? Yeah, it is clearly visible. No, wait, yeah, now you can see here a wire, very thin wire. This wire will act as a heating element which will be used to cut the thermocol. I have obtained that thin wire from one of these wires of the rice lights. I don't know what it's actually called. You see these wires of the rice lights. Yeah, when you cut it, you can see here many types of wires. Among them I could see that 2 are copper and 4 are aluminium. So you will need the aluminium ones, and then they will act as a heating element. So at first I am taking this matchbox, and in this part I am cutting a hole which is equal to this thing, just like this. Okay, you will need a pen to mark here. Yeah, right here. And here. I need to cut a bit inside so that it fits properly. Okay, so this also a bit inside. Yeah, just like this, here and here. Okay, then cut 2 slits like this, so that this socket like thick fits in here. For this you will need a scissors, of course. Now I am cutting the slits. Put your scissors straight and cut. Okay, so see, it comes out. Let's see if it fits. It fits perfectly. You see, and we will not require this part, so we will cut this too. Let's take it out fast. Yeah, so it should look like this, a slit in between so that it can fit here. Now make two holes here and here, okay, just like this. And then place it inside again, and as you can see, this part is here and the wires have been gone out through this region, okay. Now after putting the cover back, it should look like this, a wonderful box with wires through this region, okay. And now you can see here it perfectly fits in here, and the wires coming out of the previously cut slit which had gone wrong. So let's continue. Then you are gonna fix the two ice cream sticks with the matchstick with the help of a rubber band. Then with the help of a scissors or something else, make holes here and here in this region, just like this. Through here you will pass these wires, just like this. See, the wires have gone through these holes and they enter here into this. You see them here? You have to connect this thin wire with this thing, and then connect the thin wire to these two wires. Now let's get to the use of this socket like thing. Connect this plug like thing with a wall adapter. As you can see, it gives an output of 5.7 volts DC, and then you are gonna connect it with this this thing, and when you will plug it, this wire will become hot and it will be able to cut thermocols. I will show you, wait. So let's test it. I have a thermocol here, a wall adapter, and my DIY cutter. Okay, so this wall adapter I will connect to this extension cord like this and plug it on like this. As you can see, the LED is glowing. Yeah, and now this socket like thing we will connect to the thermocol cutter, just like this. Yeah, just like this. Okay, now this string is hot and it can easily cut the thermocols like this, as you can see. Now I am going to make a curve. Wait, as you can see, I made a curve, another one. Now it becomes straight. Okay, so it's working good. To switch it off, just pull it out. Yeah, just like this. But please don't play with electricity as it is very dangerous, and this thin wire gets very hot, and so don't touch it. The author shall not be held liable for any injuries caused. Let's switch this adapter off and take it out. Yeah, and now we are safe. So you may use it for many other projects which you can make from thermocol, and so I hope it might be useful to you. Thanks for watching and subscribe.